You guys, if you are new to Forex, then this video is perfect for you. You're going to be talking about how to trade the Forex market and how to become a profitable trader. So just stick around. So I'm going to run you through the basics and we're going to take it step by step. Now, you may be wondering, what is Forex? Alright, Forex is also known as the foreign exchange market. It's a global market where people trade currencies. Yeah, you heard that right. Currencies. Think of it like a store where you can exchange money from one country to another. For example, you're traveling from the US to Europe. You need to exchange your US dollars to euro. That's basically what Forex is, exchanging one currency to the other. And trust me, guys, this is going to be an interesting journey. So, why do people trade Forex? Well, there are several reasons. Number one, to make money. By buying and selling currencies, traders aim to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates and all of that. Number two, to hedge risks. Business and investors use Forex to protect themselves from potential losses due to currency fluctuations. Yeah, you heard that right. And number three, to facilitate international trade. Forex enable companies to buy and sell all goods and services across the borders. Now, how do you do all of this? That's where the currency pairs comes in. Let's talk about the currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. A currency pair consists of two currencies, with the first currency being the base currency and the second currency being the quote currency. I know all of this sounds strange, but when we dive real deep into what we are going to cover, I promise you it will be a lot easier. So for now, we're just gonna learn about the basics. We have different currencies. For example, you have the Euro, USD, you have the GBP, JPY, the British pound. You can see all of that here. This is the GBP, JPY, the Euro, USD. We've also got the gold here, the BTC, USD, and all of that. We're going to, these are the currency pairs that we are going to be trading, and this is the market. We've got a lot to cover. So I'm gonna be taking you on this journey to learn what Forex is as a total beginner. You don't know anything about Forex, alright, you're in the right place. Just out. You're gonna learn how to make money from the Forex market in 2025. Yeah, you heard me. You're gonna learn how to make money from the Forex market. You probably might be, hearing other people saying, I made a lot of money from Forex, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this is your time to make your own money from the Forex market. Then in the next video, we're going to be talking a lot about how to trade the market, things to know, things to consider when trading this market. In the next video, we'll be discussing Forex trading platform, technical analysis, risk management. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our future videos. Leave a comment below with questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, peace out.